Hey guys, hello and welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be talking about all myths which are there in our mind regarding our hair care. There are so many lines we have been grown up hearing कि रोज बाल नहीं धोना चाहिए, शैम्पूज यूज नहीं करना चाहिए या सिर में हमेशा तेल लगा कर रखना चाहिए. So here are the things which I came to know from my doctor and I would love to share with you all. So without any further ado, let me just start with the tips. So the first thing which I came to know from my doctor is it's very important to keep our hair clean. So it's very important to wash your hair at least thrice a week. कम से कम हफ्ते में 3 बार बालों को ज़रूर धोना चाहिए to prevent it from lot many dust and dandruff. Tip number 2 is don't put oil on your hair for longer period of time. By keeping oil on your hair for longer period of time, you are not doing anything good with it, but you are just inviting lot of wet dandruff and dust to it. If you want to oil it, just keep it for half an hour maximum. Next tip is do not opt for any salon hair treatment. Now this is going to be so important because we all are so fascinated by salons and its treatments. Here I would like to share my own experience because I am a girl who like to do a lot of experiments with myself. So I have just gone through a lot of hair treatments, salon hair treatments especially. Now keratin treatment is the last treatment what I did, and after that I have faced immense hair fall which I have never ever faced till date. I have used good products too which were being suggested by the salon people, like अगर ये keratin करवाया है तो आपको ये शैम्पू और ये कंडीशनर और ये वो सब यूज़ करना पड़ेगा तो ही आपका keratin ट्रीटमेंट लंबे समय तक रहेगा. पर मैंने सब कुछ यूज़ करके देख लिया. इट हैज़ जस्ट नॉट वर्कड एट ऑल. इट वॉज जस्ट वेस्ट ऑफ माई मनी. So this is a picture when I did keratin on my hair. It looks good for a while, but after that it gives immense hair fall and hair problems. So it's better not to use that and just keep your hair as natural as it is. Next tip is try out good DIYs at home. I know that is going to be too hassle to make a DIY at home and that too to apply on your hair. So here I have a good solution for you, and that is a hair mask from Mama Earth, and this is onion hair mask. Although it claims that it works on hair fall problem, I haven't experienced that yet, but I can say that it has really helped me to keep my hair frizz free and to keep my hair smooth and shiny. इसे लगाने का तरीका बिल्कुल ही आसान है. आपको अपने बाल थोड़े से गीले करने हैं, उसके बाद स्कैल्प में लगाकर थोड़ा सा मसाज करके अपने हेयर पर भी लगाकर, और उसके बाद just keep it for 15 minutes and then you can wash it off. Just make sure that the shampoo you are using is sulfate free. Next tip is do not comb your hair much. अपने बालों को ज़्यादा कंघी करने की अगर आदत है आपको तो प्लीज़ उसे छोड़ दीजिए, क्योंकि ज़्यादा कंघी करने से भी बालों की जड़ कमज़ोर होती है and then it can lead to hair fall. So that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. Having said all these things, I would like to mention one more thing कि हम सभी अलग अलग हैं. Hence we all have different reasons of our hair problem or skin problem or any other problems. So if you are facing any problem related to your hair, skin or anything else, then rather than going for any videos and falana dimka, I would really suggest go to a doctor, consult a doctor, a good doctor, and get your hair treated. What I have mentioned here are the regular care of our hair, which if we follow, we can get a good result in terms of hair quality and hair loss as well. Thank you so much for listening to me. Bye bye.